Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. Someone mentioned about this website where I could create passport size photos. I'll share the link in the description. So here I'm trying to figure out how to do it. So I picked country as United States, and also automatically it picks the size required for the United States passport and visa. And then I say single photo, and I took a high resolution photo, which is almost 15 MB. So let's see what happens. Does it really take that kind of a picture and try to create a passport size photo for me? So it's uploading. So as I told you, it's a 15 MB 15 MB file. So I'm trying to see. And also you should be aware of, don't click any of the links around the website, because that's going to install or take you to something which is not necessary. So be aware that this is the only way to go to the steps through. And if you see now, okay, let's talk about this. So it says it could not do the picture because it's too huge probably. So I'm going to look for a smaller size picture of mine. And this is just a sample I'm using. So this won't work for a passport size photo because it's a side photo. So, but if you see a small photo, I quickly uploaded it. And if you can see, that's my photograph. And I can adjust the brightness and contrast and then hit next. So now it takes me to the section where it'll show me I can actually increase or reduce the location of the picture, what part of the picture you want to print out. So default is the whole picture. I'm going to try to reduce or increase, and just to get the right part of my picture to be printed as a passport size photograph. And then once I'm ready with the format or the size, or which part of the picture I want, I click on make photo, and then it starts doing. So if you see now, there's a download button, but don't click on it. That's not really the download button of the picture. So if you see at the bottom of my picture, it says it's taking time. It says 74 seconds left. So wait for it. Don't click on anything else. If you see there's a download button which is not related to the picture I'm trying to download, so let's wait. So I quickly moved forward to show you this. If you see that there's a download link there, click on the link. Once you have the picture, you can upload it to any photo processing store, and so they can print your photo. I hope this helps. Talk to you soon.